So it's getting near to the end of the summer holidays. Lockdown is over. You've had your fun, but now the excitement of going back to school, college or uni is actually here. And what's more fun than that? I mean, probably a lot, but I'm old and I've forgotten about kind of how school really is. But the question you should be asking is what tech you should be packing inside your bag to make things a little bit easier for you. Let's do this. Now, whenever we go to a show, which God knows it's been way too long due to the global situation that for the fear of demonetization will remain nameless, we always tend to make content based around what we're actually taking with us. And for some reason, well, you guys and girls love to see exactly what gadgets and gizmos are inside our bags. Well, after spending the last week making sure my kids are all sorted for when they go back to school, we, along with Toshiba, who were kind enough to sponsor this video, thought that we should give you our kind of best picks for tech you should be taking back to school with you. So first things first, if your school was anything like mine, the computers were a million years behind where they kind of should have been. They were old, slow, and with the restrictions still set to be in place, having a laptop of your own could be the right way to go. Obviously these range in budget for what you need, and on the cheaper end of the scale, I'd definitely be gearing more towards a Chromebook. But if you have some cash to spend and want something that's more, let's say, multi-purpose, well yeah, that's where the Xenia 15 from XPG, in my opinion, is the way to go. Not only is it fast enough for having mass amounts of Chrome tabs open, but if you're studying something that needs that extra oomph for video, rendering or CAD work, this has it all. And during your downtime, the Core i7 processor and the RTX 2070 Max-Q graphics card will give you more than enough performance for those gaming sessions. Trust me on this one, if you're in school and your parents are buying you a laptop, this is the perfect excuse to get something like this. Having a laptop is also going to be great for those who are doing homeschooling, as not every school around the world has gone back to, let's say, in-class learning. Speaking of homeschooling, for all those Zoom and Microsoft Teams sessions, you're going to need a great sounding microphone. And in my opinion, until now, I've not found a better mic than the Elgato Wave 3. I'm actually using it right now, and I'm sure you agree it sounds absolutely amazing. It has control for gain, headphone volume, and also allows you to mute it with a single tap. While it does come with a stand, there's nothing stopping you screwing it into a boom arm if you really wanted to. It has built-in clip-in, and for budding content creators and streamers, the Wavelink software will be your new best friend. For those who don't already have headphones or prefer having a headset with a built-in microphone, then the Corsair HS70 Bluetooth would be my pick at the moment. At $100 in the US and $91.99 in the UK, it's a multi-platform headset that not only performs great, but is extremely comfortable. Now, being a wired gaming headset with Bluetooth means you can connect it to a multitude of devices, whether you're at home, at school, or on the go. You can even use both connections at the same time. Perfect if you want to play a game on your phone while on that all-important Zoom call, pretending to listen to your teacher. Now, while that's cool, if being on the call means that you need to be seen, you may struggle getting away with it. But with the Elgato Facecam, you won't struggle with having the very best quality video in full HD at 60 FPS and with studio-grade optics. While it's not cheap at $200 in the US and £190 in the UK, there really is nothing else quite like it out there, offering up the clearest quality video from a webcam on the market today. Now I get it, not everyone wants a laptop, a microphone, a headset and a webcam. Combined, it's not exactly going to be cheap, and for some people there are better options available, and that's where the 2021 Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch comes in. With the latest Apple M1 chip, a 12.9 inch Liquid Retina XDR display for the very best viewing experience, and with Thunderbolt connectivity allowing you to connect the highest performance accessories to it. There really isn't anything out there that can compete. And that also leads me on to the next thing, which is the Canvio Flex portable storage drive from Toshiba. Now, storage is one of the most vital things that any student needs in their life. The issue that a lot of people are faced with is the cost of buying internal storage. Take the laptop I mentioned. Typically speaking, to go for more storage on that, you're going to pay anywhere around 150% or more than what the actual drive costs retail. The other option is to buy another drive and put it in, but on most laptops you're going to be voiding the warranty. And then what about the iPad Pro? The one I have here is the 128 gig model, which currently comes in at £956 in the UK and $1,099 in the US. If I wanted to move to the 256 gig model, you'd be expected to pay another $100 or £142 extra. You'll also be restricted to the capacity of each device, and that's why internal storage can be a little bit of a kind of finicky thing. Well, that's where Toshiba think they actually have you covered. With capacities of 1, 2 and 4 terabyte, you'll have more than enough space for all your work and games too. Also with the Cambio Flex, the clue really is in the name. You have the flexibility to move between devices. It'll work on a PC, laptop, Mac, and even your tablet like the iPad Pro. I mean, for the price, which is extremely attractive right now across all capacities, you'll be hard pressed to find another drive on the market that can compete with it on size or flexibility. It also comes bundled with a 3-year warranty, giving you that extra peace of mind. The other great thing about this drive is that it's small and sleek looking, so it will tie in with your laptop or tablet, and it comes with both the USB Type A and USB Type C cables, so you can easily connect and go. Now for me personally, this is great if I wanted to edit footage on the go on my iPad Pro, or if I wanted to hand some files off to someone else in a hurry. It's definitely something I'll be packing for my next trip away, whenever that may be. Who knows, CES 2022 is coming around the corner, so maybe that's the next one for me. Either way, having a large portable drive with lots of connectivity is really important for what we do. And I'm sure for anyone at school, college or university, you're definitely going to find this a handy accessory too. Also, if you're wanting something, say, a little bit slimmer, Toshiba also have you covered with their Cambio Slim Drive, and of course for the hardcore gamers out there, they've got the Cambio Gaming Drive too. Kind of no matter what your needs, Toshiba has you covered for all areas of your lifestyle. So there you go, that kind of wraps it up for this video. I kind of feel like there's a little bit for everyone, no matter what your age, and I've got to be honest, I'd like to think if you're maybe a younger student, I've maybe given you some excuses to get some products that you can use for gaming, while also persuading mum and dad that, you know, it's really for school. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to Toshiba for sponsoring this video and showing that they have a huge range of products for every type of user with their Cambio range. Let me know what products you'll be getting before you head back to school. And remember, if you like this video, you know exactly what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.